everybody, it's Jill from Glimmerbug, and today I want to share with you some of my painted rocks that I've been doing. I've got more coming down the pipeline, but I love painting rocks because they're just so pretty and fun, and they're so small to be able to do. And as you can see, I love the owls, and I love doing the mandala style. And they're colorful, and they're all sealed up, so you can put them outside. I don't know if I would want to, but I think they're more decorative to have on a desk or on a dresser or that kind of thing. And I love having little positive messages on my rocks, like be kind and love grows. I love this one. It's like a feather. I love that one. This one says listen. It's like a little funky fish. Strong is beautiful. Love. Show kindness. I love flowers too. So yeah, they're a lot of fun to do. I love doing them, and they're a pretty hot seller. I sell quite a bit of these, and these are each $7. And they are located on my website, glimmerbug.com, in my shop. Not all of them are on there, but most of them are. But if you see one that you like and you're interested in, drop me a line on my website. I have a nice little contact form on there. And I'll be adding more of these. I just got another shipment of river rocks in. Not as big as this size. This is as big as my hand. But more like these guys, the smaller ones. I think those are more doable. This one says lucky. I did that for St. Patrick's Day. I thought that was cute. And my little owls with the little hats on. I love the little pom-poms on their hats. So, yeah, and then these guys have like gems in the center. And they're all hand-painted, so they're not, perfectly made like a machine would make them, which who the heck wants that? And yeah, so if you are interested in any of these rocks, drop me a line. Head on over to my website at glimmerbug.com, and I'd love to package one up and send one out to you, or as a gift to a friend or a family member who you want to send something to that you're thinking of. I have free shipping on my website right now, so why not? All right, enjoy the rest of your day and have a great weekend. And thanks so much for watching.